Hi, I'm Matt with Pitch 6, and I'm here to give you a quick tour of some of the things in the ForceBoard app. And today we're going to look at the feed screen. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the app, and it comes up to the feed screen. Now with this new release that we're just about to do, there's a couple new things in the feed screen. Right at the top you can see a search bar sitting up there. And then each block as you go through this is a session block. And you'll notice that the name on this screen is not me, it's actually Dylan, who works with us. You're seeing Dylan's sessions in the feed because he's a friend of mine, and now we have social sharing inside the app, so you see his feed screen blocks as well. I can remove those, just search for me by just clicking on that single button on the right hand side, and you can see the now my feed blocks, and I'll kind of go through each one of these. In addition to that feed block, you can actually search for other things. You can actually do an advanced search where you search for a name of a particular user or a particular routine or date ranges. So we do some fancy things with that. Some of those features require a pro subscription, but for you searching for your stuff, it's no problem. No subscription required. So inside each feed block, you can see the name, and then each color, you see the name of the routine that you executed, and then some other parameters like how many holds you did, how many total seconds under load you did, and then our unique a parameter that we decided on, which was called load seconds. And this is something we invented, and load seconds by itself doesn't matter, but it's kind of gives you a sense of volume for the particular exercise. And if you're comparing one routine to the next, that load seconds parameter gives you a single number to tell you how well you did for that routine. And then the section down below, each color is a hold, each shade of color is a set, and each bar is a rep, and you can tap on each one of these reps and actually see the load, the max load in this case, for that particular rep. And if you don't want to see that, there's 4 choices on this session chart. So max is one of those. Rate of force development is the second one. You can look at your rate of force development for each rep. You can also look at the average or time for each particular rep. So that's the basic feed screen block. And you can, as you scroll down in time, you can see all the different sessions that you did in the past. If you want to look at the details for that particular session, click on the session details button, and you'll see now some of the same information you saw before, but now you have, in addition to that, actual reps that you were looking at before. So you can look for each hold. So here's hold 1 left. We're splitting out the left and the right hands. Hold 1 left, hold 1 right. And you can look at a summary of the sets or each detailed rep inside the system. That's why we call it details, because you can look at the particular profile of that rep you did over time. That is the feed screen.